Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. It's Bob Dylan week, and today we're looking at The Times They Are A-Changin. Don't go anywhere. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to click like, share with your friends, and most of all, subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. So The Times They Are A-Changin, of course it's one of Dylan's most recognised and famous songs, and we're going to play it on a G harmonica. Now you could still learn to play this on any key harmonica, but if you want to play along with the Bob Dylan song, you will need a G harmonica. That said, we won't be playing along with the actual recording in the lesson. I'm not going to put the song on for copyright reasons. I don't want my YouTube lesson taken down, you know. So I'll just go through each part, go through the tab and teach you how to play each of the bits. I am going through his own playing in the song today, okay? So I'm actually doing the solos and the fills between the verses. So we'll do it bit by bit. I think we've got 5 different sections to look at, and we'll start with the first solo, if you like. It's just a very short section, about 30 seconds in, 32 seconds, something like that. Okay, so the first bit of playing goes something like this. Okay, now you'll notice the tab I have on the screen is single notes. So you've got 5 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 blow, etc, etc. Now, the way Dylan plays it, he's not known for his clean playing. I'm sure there'll be people out there writing comments going, oh, why are you doing a Dylan lesson? I always get a few. He's not known for his clean playing. I've put the tab in a very clean format, so it's single note. But take this with a pinch of salt. You can get away with having a wider mouth and getting 2, 3 notes for this melody. So I've put it as a clean. That sort of thing, quite clean. I almost went to the 5 blow at the end, that's why I was a little bit fluffed. But when he plays it, it's more like that, okay? So you can, as long as you get in the general area. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you might be a beginner. So this is just a good way of getting your way around the harmonica and getting familiar with where the notes lie, rather than it being an especially complicated piece to play. So we've got 5 blow, 4 blow, and then 4 blow twice, 5 draw, 5 blow. I'll stop there. And then the next note, the 4 blow, is in brackets. It's because it just sort of skips onto it. It's kind of a grace note. It's just a stepping stone that you could get away without playing. And then 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow. Okay? And then, you know, the more I hear it, the more I think maybe there's quite a lot of 5 blow in that last note as well. So 4/5. As I say, this whole thing can be taken with a pinch of salt. So that whole line again. Okay. And that's all there is between those 2 verses. Some of the later parts are a little bit longer, but we're going to get on to the second. I'm calling them solos. The second solo, which is just after a minute, about 1:06. So this solo goes something like this. So as I say, again, really rough around the edges. The tab I've got though, I've put single notes, so you can aim for the single note, and it doesn't matter so much with the context of a folk song, of a Dylan song especially. You can be a bit messy. So we've got the first line, 5 blow twice, 6 draw, 7 blow, and then 6 blow, 6 draw, 7 blow, 7 draw, 7 blow, and then he just slides up to an 8 blow at the end. Okay, now you might be listening to that and thinking that's quite different from what you're used to hearing on the record. As I say, it kind of fills out and has that Dylan sound if you loosen your lips. So this is just giving you a general idea. I thought about doing them as putting 4, 5, 6, you know, and then 6, 7, 8, and it would just get so chunky and kind of confusing to follow. So I thought I'd try this way. Let me know what you think of it. The second half of the solo goes. Okay, so we've got 9 blow 5 times, 6 times actually. And then 10 draw, 9 blow, 9 draw, and finishing on the 9 blow. Holds that 9 blow and just slides off to the 8 blow near the end. Kind of like that. I wasn't trying to get the single notes then, I was kind of loosening it up a little bit. Okay, I'm flying through these because we've still got 3 more to go. We've got the next section is 1 minute 45-ish, so let's have a little play of that. So solo 3 goes something like this. Okay, so the first section of tab I've got is, so 5 blow 3 times, 5 draw, 8 and then 9 blow. If you kind of loosen that, sounds something like that. And then 9 blow 9 draw, 8 blow 8 draw, 7 blow twice. If I loosen again, that sort of sound. So that's solo 3. The next one, it's a little bit longer. It comes in about 2 minutes 20. So let's get onto that because that'll take a little bit longer to get through. So let's have a go at playing solo 4. It goes something like this. That's playing it loosely. The kind of single note tab goes something like this. I've put it out in 3 lines. The first line. We've got 5 blow twice, 8 draw, 8 blow twice, 9 draw, 8 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow. Something like that. And then the second line, and he plays that one actually a little bit cleaner. I mean, he's Dylan, so it's never completely clean, but there's a little bit more of clarity to those notes. So we've got 9 blow, how many times? 6 times. Six times, and then 10 draw, 9 blow, 9 draw, 9 blow, and it just slides to an 8 blow a little bit at the end. And then if you loosen it up. So that's 8 blow, 9 draw, 9 blow, 9 blow, 10 draw, 9 blow, 7 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow, 8 draw, 7 blow to finish. And we've just got one more section to do. We've got a kind of little fade out section. It comes in about 3 minutes and 3 seconds and it goes to the fade out. So just a couple of phrases. So because this song fades out, there's no sense of resolution as such to this last little bit. It's just a couple of random lines and they go something like this. And at that point, the song fades out to, you can't really hear any more after that. So we've got 2 lines. That's if we clean it up. So 6 blow 3 times, then 8 draw, 8 blow twice, 9 draw, 8 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow. And then so that's 9 blow 3 times, 10 draw, 9 blow, 7 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow, 8 draw, 9 blow. If we do Dylan style, and that actually takes us to the end of the song. As I said, fade out so it doesn't feel like an ending, and if you're performing this yourself, you might elongate that or leave the solo out of the end section perhaps. That's it from me today. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please click like, share with your friends and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. I'm going to be back soon with another harmonica lesson. Until then, enjoy your practice. Cheers.